I work as a community worker with the kids in the Lower Shankill estate. There's really only one community centre in this area, and I also work with Residents' Voice and the Lower Shankill Community Association. We're all working like a partnership to try and keep kids under somewhere to go at the nights and keep them out of interface trouble and stuff like that. The community, it has a big influence here, yeah, because we're working with a housing executive and DOE roads and the health environment and stuff like that. And they have 30 over this past 5 years, but we've picked up, cleaned the area well up. 99% cleaner than it ever was. They have a PPR and children's right to play. If this community centre wasn't here, there'd be nowhere else for the kids to go, because there's no play facilities in there, no play park. The nearest community centre to here would be Agnes Street, where a lot of young kids, their parents wouldn't let them go because of traffic and stuff like that. So really, if it wasn't here, there'd be nowhere for the kids. There'd be more antisocial behaviour, there'd be more vandalism and stuff like that in the area. We joined SIPTU's community campaign because of our community groups in the area which have lost jobs due to the cuts. We're not involved at the moment with the cuts, but next year probably we'll end up getting the cuts. But I worked for a wee group, our Art Ability, which deals with disabled children. They lost their funding, got no warning they were getting it took off them. Next thing the place closed up, the kids were still in the streets, so I came back to our committee and I said, look, we need to stand beside our community groups here and keep fighting for their causes, because someday it's going to hit our groups, it's going to hit our group, and we need their support. So the whole group decided that we would join SIPTU and work with everybody else to fight the cuts. I think our groups and anybody that's not a member should join SIPTU, which is going to fight to keep communities employment, keep factories employed, keep shops open, and keep community centres and areas, disabled centres open, which work with vulnerable children, to keep their premises open, because they're all going to get hit over the next couple of years. Everybody's going to suffer somewhere along the line, so everybody needs to unite together and stand together to get funding to keep these places going.